on how to play Warzone on PS5. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to play Call of Duty Warzone on your PS5 step by step. Step 1. Download Warzone. Turn on your PS5 and sign in to your PlayStation Network account. Go to the PlayStation Store from the home screen. Search for Call of Duty Warzone. Select Download. Warzone is free to play, so no purchase needed. Step 2. Install the game. Wait for the download and installation to complete. You can check progress in the game library or download section. Step 3. Launch Warzone. Open Warzone from your PS5 home screen or game library. The game might update on first launch, just wait for it to finish. Step 4. Set up your account. Sign in with your Activision account, or create one if you don't have it. This allows you to save progress and play cross-platform. Step 5. Adjust settings and controls. Go to Settings from the main menu. Customize controls, sensitivity, and graphics based on your preferences. Step 6. Start playing. Choose your game mode, Battle Royale,